Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you unboxing of Boya M1 microphone which was brought from Flipkart. So let us dive into unboxing. Actually the cost of this one is 1000 rupees. So the cost will be very 800 to 1200 based upon the seller. So this is the Boya BY-M1 microphone. See the specifications of this microphone on the back side of that package. Front side it is only the company name, here BY-M1. So let us see what are the contents inside the box. Carefully open the box. Inside bag is there. They have provided the bag. In the bag, microphone. These are the manuals and the warranty card. This is the manual how to use this microphone and how to set up microphone per PC or mobile. So see the contents in this package. It's a nice leather bag given by the company. In this you will get microphone condenser with almost long cable, so more than 2 to 5 meters, and that is the pin. This is the battery, so which was used to record the voice while using the camera. For mobiles they no need to use that battery. For laptops and everything they will use the battery. This is the 3.5 mm to 5 mm, that is normal audio deck pin, extension pin. This is the clap. This is the foam bed for microphone in the top of that one. See in this video. So let us keep aside and look into the microphone. This is the 3.5 mm jack. This is the microphone. In between that the condenser. Here there is a two options. You can use it for camera or PC. There is a button in that is the button. You can adjust the button while recording using this laptop or mobile or PC. So the quality is very good. This is the mic. See, they have provided a long cable. So this is the one of the cheapest and the best microphone under 1000 rupees. So this is useful for YouTubers or doing videos for their record their voice for the videos. These are the contents inside the Boya microphone. You will get 1 year warranty provided by the company. Like this, I will upload a lot more videos. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon to get the notifications of the latest videos uploaded by me. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.